In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade IC Markets demo account. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, you have to create a demo account. If you don't know how to do this, I have a tutorial on that as well on my channel, so go watch it. And then whenever you have your demo account, you can go ahead and start trading. So go to the Downloads tab here on the left. And then inside the Downloads tab, you'll be able to see the options you actually have. Now, if you want to know how to connect this to MT5 or maybe TradingView MT4, you can go ahead and watch the videos on that. I created them as well. Or you can just go ahead and start with the Web Trader, which is by clicking over here, clicking on Open Web Trader. I do think this is the quickest and the easiest way. Then you have to select either MT4 or MT5. I'm going to select MT5, the demo version, because we are trading IC Markets with demo account. Click on Continue to MT5, and then it should automatically bring up this window with just closed because I am already logged in. So it's going to look something like this. You're going to have to enter in the login and the password. Those can be obtained over here under Accounts. So wherever you actually have your MT5 or MT4 account, just you can see this number is the login. So this goes in here, and then the password, you can just show it, copy it and paste it in here, press connect to account, and this is what you're going to see. Now in here, you can then go ahead and start trading by clicking new order. You can then select whatever symbol you want to trade, the volume, stop losses, take profits, and then you can just go ahead and buy or sell by market, or of course any of these other orders, and that's pretty much how to do it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.